So for this tutorial I'm using 3.5mm hook, and I'm using cotton mercerized yarn from Alize Bahar. I'm using these three colors, which is cream, salmon orange and a brownish color. If you're interested, I'll put the link in the description box. And we'll start without further ado. I'll use my lighter color first. I'm gonna make a slip knot or a magic loop. And I'm gonna chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I'll join into the first chain from the hook with a slip stitch. Now I'm gonna chain 3, and I'm gonna do 15 double crochet in the ring, inside the ring. So yarn over, insert my hook into the ring and work my double crochet, total of 15 times. I'm gonna join in the beginning of my chain 3 on the top chain 3 with a slip stitch, and I'm gonna fasten off to insert the new color. It's better to hide my thread from now, so later on it doesn't become too much work if you're doing any project. So now I'm gonna use a different color, and again I'm gonna make a magic loop, and I will insert in any stitch from the previous row, and I'll join. So now I'll chain 3, now what I need to do is a puff stitch. So I will yarn over, insert my hook, pull through. When we pull through, we need to pull till the height of the chain 3, like this. Repeat again one more time, insert my hook, pull through as much as we can, and yarn over again, insert my hook and pull through. I need to have 7 loops on my hook, then pull through all and chain 1. Now I'm gonna have to repeat this in all the stitches. I need to do puff stitch in all the stitches, means yarn over, insert my hook, pull through, yarn over, insert my hook in the same stitch, pull through as long as I can, yarn over again, pull through. So again, I will yarn over and insert my hook 3 times. I need to end up with 7 loops on my hook, and then pull through all, and chain 1. So we'll repeat this throughout, and I'll come back to show you the final look, and we go to the next step. So now I'm at the end of my second round, and my last stitch is still unworked, so I'm gonna do again yarn over, pull through again 3 times, and I'm gonna pull through all, chain 1 again and join. Fasten off. Now we're going on to the next row, where we'll do the puff stitch, a similar one to this but with a little twist. So I'm using the orange or salmon color. Again, a magic loop, insert in any space between the previous puff stitches. So insert and secure, chain 3. Now what we're gonna do is 3 incomplete double crochet in the same space, means yarn over, insert into the space, pull through, normal, pull through 2. 2 loops on my hook, again, pull through 2, 3 loops, 4 loops, and I pull through all, chain 2. Now into the next spaces, all the spaces, I'm gonna do 4 incomplete double crochet and then chain 2, means yarn over, pull through 2, 4 times. Okay, and pull through all and chain 2. I'm gonna repeat the same till the end of the row. So now I'm at the end of my last round, before last round, and I'm gonna fasten off. So chain 2 again and join on top of the beginning puff stitch and fasten off. Now I'm gonna use the cream color again, and this time we're turning this circular work into a square to make the sunburst granny square. So the last magic circle or loop, so I will insert in any space and I'm gonna chain 4. So we're working the first half of a corner here. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now I'm gonna yarn over twice for the first treble, pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through the last 2. I'm gonna repeat one more, insert and pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2 again. Now I'm gonna work the next spaces before I come back to this. So I'm gonna do a double crochet in the next space, 3 double crochets, in the next space. So 3 double crochet, and again in the next space 3 double crochet. So 3 double crochet in the next space as well. And the next will be a corner, so yarn over twice, pull through twice, pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through the last 2. So yarn over twice, pull through 2, 1, 2 and 3, and again 1, stick, 1, 2 and 3, chain 2 and 3 trebles again. So basically we do a corner with 3 trebles, chain 2, 3 trebles, double crochet in the next 3 spaces, and we repeat the same till the end of the row. So 3 double crochet in the next spaces. So here I'm at the end of my square and I'm back to the first corner that I started. So I'm gonna do the last 3 trebles. So 1, 2 and 3. I'm gonna chain 2 and join on top of the first treble crochet and fasten off again. And here is my completed sunburst granny square, a beautiful one, perfect for summer, especially using the cotton yarn. You can make any project you want with it. What comes first to my mind is a headscarf, a shawl. Yeah, a shawl would be perfect for the night breeze and any project you'd love to do. Even a cardigan would be very pretty using this pattern. I hope you liked it and you found it easy to follow. Let me know your thoughts, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. Don't forget to check the description box for all the information. Until next time, take care, bye bye.